friends, this is Gayatri. Today we'll start with a new chapter, Winds, Storms and Cyclones. Odisha was hit by a cyclone with wind speed of more than 220 km per hour on May 2020. This super cyclone was named as Amphan. It is considered as the first super cyclonic storm to occur in the Bay of Bengal. And it is also the third super cyclone that hits West Bengal. Thousands of people lost their lives. Properties were destroyed. The cyclone affected agriculture, transport, communication and electricity supply. But what are cyclones? How are they formed? Why are they destructive? So these are all the questions. These are all the things we are going to discuss in this chapter. Wind. I hope you all might have known what is wind. Moving air is called wind. The blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. The pressure exerted by the atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. This atmospheric pressure is also called as air pressure. The speed of wind can be measured by a device called anemometer. This anemometer is a device which is used to measure the speed of the wind and also the direction. This word is derived from a Greek word anemos, which means wind. Tropical cyclone intensity scale. This scale is according to our India's Meteorological Department Tropical Cyclone Intensity Scale. Category Sustained winds. Sustained winds means it is just a wind speed determined by averaging observed values over a 2 to 3 minute period. Cyclonic storm 63 to 88 km per hour. Severe cyclonic storm 89 to 117 km per hour. Very severe cyclonic storm 118 to 165 km per hour. Extremely severe cyclonic storm 166 to 220 km per hour. Super cyclonic storm greater than 221 km per hour. Properties of air. Air occupies space. Air has weight. Air takes the shape of the object it fills. Air exerts pressure and air exerts force. Air pressure. We already know air pressure. The pressure which is exerted by the atmosphere is called as air pressure or atmospheric pressure. This atmospheric pressure is measured by a device called barometer. Air moves from the region where the air pressure is high to the region where the low pressure is low. So we can conclude that air moves from high pressure to low pressure. The greater the difference in pressure, the faster the air moves. Air exerts pressure. We'll do a simple activity. Take a tin can with a lid. Fill it approximately half with water. Heat the can on a candle flame till the water boils. Let the water boils for a few minutes. Blow out the candle. Immediately put the lid tightly on the can. Be careful in handling the hot can. Put the can carefully in a wash basin. Pour fresh water over the can. What happens to the shape of the can? Can you guess why the shape of the can gets distorted like this? This happens due to the atmospheric pressure. If you cannot get a tin can, take a soft plastic bottle, fill it with hot water, empty the bottle and immediately cap it tightly. Place the bottle under running water. Answer the following questions. What is air pressure? Name the device used to measure the speed of wind. What is the wind speed range of supercyclone? Write the properties of air. Do the following activity. Refer chapter 8, activity 8.1 in page number 81.